Good morning. This is Mr. Ramirez, aka the Flamingo King, with another episode and our final episode on how to divide multi-digit numbers by using partial quotients. A construction site needs 5,890 nails to finish a project. Nails come in packs of 24. How many packs of nails should they buy? Let's start off with cubes. We'll circle the numbers that are in our problem. So we have 5,890. We have 24. And there's no written numbers or numbers in written form, so we're good there. Let's go to underlining the question. How many packs of nails should they buy? So keywords here are nails. That's what our answer will be. We have nails up here. That tells us our total. And if we're trying to find how many packs, that's going to tell me that I should be dividing. Okay, so the division problem that we're working on is 5,890. And we're going to divide that by 24 because there's 24 nails in a pack. All right, so the first thing I want to do is I'm going to list the multiples of 24. 24, 48, 72, 96, and 120. And I'll go ahead and stop there. All right, so the first thing I'm going to look for is how many times does 24 go into 5? It does not, so I'm going to move to the hundreds place value, 58. 24 can go into 58 now. Looks like twice. So I'm going to multiply by 2. And that's going to be in my hundreds, so let me switch that up to blue. Times 2. So we'll subtract 48. I have 2 places in my place value, a tens and a 1. So I'm going to add those zeros and add those zeros over here as well. I'm going to go ahead and subtract 4,800 nails. So we have 0. 9 minus 0 is 9. 8 minus 8 is 0. 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay. So next I'm going to look at how many groups of 24 can I get from 1,090. I look at the 1 first. 24 cannot go into 1. It can't go into 10 either, but it can go into 109. So I'm going to look at 109. And it looks like the highest I can go is going to be 96. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract 96. I have 1 0 left in my ones place to be filled in. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4. So times 4 with 1 0 is 40. Go ahead and make that a nicer 0. So now let's subtract 960 nails from 1,090 nails. We get 0 and 3. And there's no need to regroup. I know 10 minus 9 is 1. So 130. And lastly, 24 goes into 1. No. 13. No. So 130, yes. So this is the amount of groups I'm looking for here. How many groups of 24 can I get from 130 nails? That looks like our last multiple here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. So I'm going to multiply by 5. And we'll subtract 120. And that leaves us 0 in our ones. We have 1, 10, and no hundreds. So 10 left over. That's going to actually be our remainder. So 245. So 245 packs of nails is what they'll need. Oh, but no, Not yet. Look, they're still going to need 10 more nails. Well, what job can be complete? That's a big safety issue if you're 10 nails short on something. So if they have a remainder of 10, you know what? They're going to actually need to buy an extra box, even if it's only 10 nails. So you have those 245 boxes of nails plus one full box, because you can't just buy 10 nails at this store. So we'll have 246 boxes or packs. They call them packs. 246 packs of nails. So those remainders do matter. You have to interpret those remainders to make sure that you understand if you can keep it the quotient at 245, or if you need to add an extra pack of something or item, because sometimes you can't have any leftovers. All right, those leftovers matter. So thanks for watching another episode on how to divide multi-digit numbers by using partial quotients.